Hello guys. Okay, lately I've been trying new makeup. Although my makeup routine hasn't changed, but I have been trying out different products lately. So I decided I'm gonna be sharing them with you. Sorry for the lighting because I'm not at home. Anyway, let's proceed to my makeup. With my makeup, I still do the same routine. I try to opt for less products on my face. I've been out for like half of the day already and I haven't washed my face again. So I don't know if you guys do that, but before I put on makeup, I have to wash my face first. But anyway, I'm too lazy to do that, so I'm just gonna grab my charcoal Pure Derm wet wipes or cleansing towelettes for my face. Just making sure there's no dirt that's gonna be clogged once I put a lot of creams on my face. So there is a mirror on the side, so I'm gonna rely on the camera and the mirror here. I ordered this from CAY's shop in Shopee. This is the SAVER Tinted Sunscreen. I've been looking for more alternatives when it comes to sunscreen because as in my last video, I have been using Bella Tinted Sunscreen. Although this does a good job in evening up my face, I wanted a little more coverage. So I've been watching CAY's videos, what's in her makeup bag. She showed her tinted sunscreen she actually created on her own. I wanted to try it. One, because Filipino YouTuber that made it, and then second, it is a tinted sunscreen with skincare benefits, and I'm all up for that. So the first time I actually tried this, it was a bit thick. Actually, the formula is really thick. Field of BB creams. Lately, what I've been doing is I'm using my Clinique. The name is just so long. That's how it looks. Moisturizer. I super love this moisturizer because it's like water. It just dries up instantly. So I'm just gonna put that all over my face. Now I'm gonna be getting CAY's tinted sunscreen. I got the shade light. She came out with 3, tan, medium, and light. So the other 2 were a bit dark for me. So yeah, this is how it looks like. It's really thick. It's like you can't even throw it down. So I'm just gonna put like one pump on the other side of my face, just with my hand, but I'm gonna be blending it with my sponge. So this is how it looks like now that I've been blending it. Actually, I just did 2 small pumps and it already covered my entire face. Even my under eyes, it brightened a bit. But since I am doing an updated makeup routine, I'm gonna be putting on concealer. But usually with this coverage, I'm already fine even if I don't put concealer on. For concealer, I've switched to Maybelline's Age Rewind. I use it under my eyes and on my problem areas, and as you can see, I do have like scarring or like redness on the side of my cheeks. But honestly, once I start blending it, it covers it up. Okay, so now that I have concealed the deal, now that I've concealed my face, I still go for either Maybelline Fit Me press powder, or I also use Superstay. Depends on what I'm gonna be doing for the rest of the day, because Superstay does stay 24 hours. I mean, like, not really 24 hours. I haven't tried 24 hours, but it really does stay a long while. Although I do love Fit Me's finish. It just looks really fresh. So I just blend these 2 together. Okay, so now that I've mattified my face, sometimes if I'm, feeling a little bit extra, I do go contouring a bit of my nose and my cheeks. So with my contour, I still use my Sassy Glam Up Contour. I'm not really exploring on contours yet, but I'm willing to explore in the contour area. Okay, so now that I've done a bit of contouring on my nose, my cheeks, this needs a bit of blending. Now that I'm done contouring a bit, I'm gonna be using my blush, and I've fallen so much in love with this blush. I think I've shown this in one of my vlogs. This is from the Face Shop. It is their pastel cushion blusher. It's super cute and it's so subtle. I've been using it almost every day. Or can you see? Because the lighting is like orange, but it's fine. I'm enjoying myself here. And then I go a bit over my nose to just, you know, make it look as if I'm sunburned. Yeah, I think makeup gurus are cringing right now if they start seeing me doing that. Yeah, I like it. It's super duper subtle and I feel like my nose contour is intense. But yeah, right now I don't do my lashes anymore because you never know when are you about to cry.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Just kidding, but I don't do my lashes anymore. I just put on a bit of highlight and then that's it. For my highlight, I'm still using my e.l.f. highlighter. The texture of the product itself is so smooth. Get a bit of that. You know, it's so dangerous to do your makeup in like an orange lighting because you never really know when to stop. You feel like everything's just subtle and soft and natural. And then you go out and see the real light and see the real you. Yeah. But we will see later if my work is not. But yeah. So that's the finished product. Okay, so that is my recent makeup routine and new products that I've tried. I want to talk about the sunscreen. To me, I've been using it for over a month now, and it costs 688 pesos if I'm not mistaken. For the price, you get what you paid for, basically, and especially for people who have suffered from acne and who have constantly been trying to mend or heal their acne or get rid of their acne, you would really know that when you start using products that work, they are not cheap. You know, so products that are, I'm not saying that all expensive products work, but most products that would actually deliver good service has a big cost. She didn't really say that, you know, it's an anti-acne cream or whatever, but it does have vitamin C, niacinamide, lauric acid, and Centella asiatica. I feel like it really does live up to its name, Skin Saver, because now, again, I don't want to wear a lot of makeup. I just want to protect my skin. So how do you even protect your skin? Obviously, you put on sunblock. I'm trying to wear less makeup, so I always try to look for options when it comes to skincare benefits and coverage. I think in any derma that you go to, they would always recommend that you wear sunblock, whether it's morning, night, or whether you go out or not. It's always good to wear sunblock. For its price, I have no problem with it. I totally get it. You know, I've spent so much money on products I used for my acne and everything, and they did not cost like what, 50 pesos. Not at all. Although there are some products that are way cheap that are effective. 688. Will I still buy it again? Definitely I will still buy it because comparing it to the past sunscreen that I've been using, this has more coverage. This did not break me out, or it did not give me those like embedded white spots, or it did not clog my pores at all. I super love products that are 2-in-1, 3-in-1, whatever like that. So I love this a lot. I can't wait to buy another one with her sponge. I'm gonna try out her sponge also. For her to come up with a product like this is super duper cool. All I can say is like kudos to her for coming up with a product that not only benefits her, but she's also willing to share to everyone. And for someone that, you know, took their time, you know, experimenting, trying out different things, really researching and studying and putting so much effort and investment in a product that could actually help a lot of people, that is super amazing. And I'm like holding it right now. I'm actually fangirling. I feel like I have somehow a part of her. I'm excited to purchase it again. Also, I super love this blush. Like, if you are interested to try it, this is from the Face Shop. I'm gonna leave all the links down below, all the prices and where you can get it. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed and somehow learned something, or at least discovered new products if you haven't yet, or if you'd like to look for a good sunscreen. I would really recommend this one. It's really, and look, it's super compact. It's so tiny. Like my moisturizer is bigger, but it's super compact, and the pump is airless pump, I believe. So you really get the most out of the product. You don't have to scrape it, it's already doing it for you. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again soon.